So meanwhile, we are waiting for the SMS to arrive at the handset. We will take you to the through the author screen and we will make a dummy application. So let's go to the screen of the author. So this is the screen of the author. So now this is the you can see is a screen of the author, and there are multiple things. So these are the controls through which you can drag and drop and make an application. There is a save button, there is a format painter, and there are many other rich GUI functions which are available in terms of alignment of the icons once they are on the controls, once they are onto the drawable area. Now, having said this, what is going to happen here is that you can drag and drop this, and the best part about this author is that you do not have to install any SDK. It's a completely web-based UI, and you can log into it through any remote PC, and it's a complete JavaScript based solution. So there is no need for hefty installation and knowledge of using that SDK or a programming language to make such an application. Now we are going to make a sample application wherein we will drag a label. This label is basically, we will put a text indicating the name of the application basically. So we have said trial application, this text, and we will add a button here. This is a button which is available, and we will put a label. Now you can see that there is an alignment facility as well. It gets aligned to the label. See, you see a red line, that is the alignment to the label. Now we will put a text on this button saying on click, for example. Now in a real application, when you will suppose on click you want to do some activity, so you will have to click on that button and you get a screen which enables you to add a rule to that button. So now we will add a rule to it. So there is a condition, the event is on click, and the rule we are saying is that when we click on it, you should change the value of the label to a text which will type in here. So the text I am writing, say, the trial application works. So this is the text which we have added. So you will see that once I'll do on click the action will be taken will be that change the value of label 0 in form 1, and the value is a text value, to the trial application works. So the current label says trial application, and once I will do a on click, it will say the trial application works. So I will add this rule and press OK. Now the application, a dummy application, is ready, and now you can see that you can test this application on an emulator. So this is the emulator. You can see the emulator has come here, and I will take you through and see. You can actually see your application here on the emulator, and suppose I will do a on click, the trial application works. So the text has got modified. Now what we'll do is we will send this application to the application deployment server so that it can be populated onto the, it can be so that it can be pushed onto, so that it can be pushed onto a cell phone. So we will do a send now. We've saved this application and we are doing a, now if I'll refresh it, you should see my application somewhere. Let's see if we've got the application. Yes, so you can see the trial application is here, and now you can send it to an to a specified number. While sending the application before, you can set a lot of properties of the application. Sharing false. So once the application is on a handset, the handset will not be able to push it to any other number. Similarly, a life of the application. So the suppose discounts, coupon, etc. are there. You can say it is available only for 30 days, after which the application will evaporate on its own. And similarly, things like flash or silent. So it means that once you have read the application or use it, it should be evaporated from the system. So those are a lot of properties which you can specify onto the on for the application which you want to set. Now remember we had sent an engine onto the cell phone and we received the SMS and installed it. Now we are going to send this application on that particular number. So we do send apps. It has gone to the SMS gateway and we should be able to get the SMS. So once we get the SMS, we will show the application to you onto the handset. So overall of the mFramework solutions, if you ask, there are many differentiators. The first USP is that it provides us author, and author enables us to build applications at our own free will without knowledge of any sophisticated software, and any untrained person can also use it to deploy the application. And the second concept is that you can second differentiator is that it provides us multiple paths of transport mechanism. It provides an IP path, and it also provides an SMS transport mechanism. So in case the IP path fails, the application transactions can take place over an SMS path. So these are the major key functionalities which makes mFramework solution a very competent and of a lot of value to the value-added service providers, to enterprises, to other service providers who would like to provide sophisticated value-added services in the network. So we will showcase you that we have received the application through an SMS on the phone. We will do a yes, and then application should start getting installed. So it asks us, it is asking us whether we should install the application or not. We say yes. Okay. and then the application gets installed, the trial application. Now you can see that it is saying on click etc. The trial application name is there, and once you will do an on click on this, the text is going to change. So do the on click. The trial application works. So this is how the complete mFramework works, and we feel that it has a it's applicable to a lot of people who want to enterprises or value-added service providers or any OEMs which provide to give a pre-bundled framework within their uh, mobile handset software to enable people, service providers, to build applications and populate them. Thank you very much for your patience in terms of going through the entire demo. And in case there are any questions, please feel free to email us or send your comments through the relevant points of contact.